just like that, and a water glass, and fill up with water, and a bowl and a spoon to mix like this. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so let's pour some glue. Oh sorry, so let us pour some water. Okay guys, so okay guys, I'm going to add some glue now in the water. 1 spoon of glue. Okay, that's enough, I think so. The glue will waste. Okay guys, so let us add the magical liquid. Like, what is the magical liquid is? The slime activator. Okay guys, it will come up as a slime, but I think so. Oh, look at this guys, we need to mix it more, then it will really come up as a slime. Okay guys, it's coming up as a slime. I think so we need to add some more glue. So let's add some more activator for this slime video. Okay guys, so our slime is ready to play. Okay friends, so it's ready to play, but one more to add some glitter glue. Oh, let's add it. Oh guys, it's not coming. Okay guys, so let us mix it. Okay guys, it's really turning into slime and our slime is ready, but we need to mix it more. It's too sticky. Slime is ready to play. Okay guys, so let's mix it. Okay guys, it's ready. Okay, our slime is ready to play. Look at this guys. It's so fun to play with slime. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel Little Explorer.